My first job out of law school was at Land of Lincoln in East St. Louis. After 2 years, I was lobbied by Dave Landard to move over to St. Louis Legal Aid. And I worked as a staff attorney for legal services for another 5 years. And since then, I've always done pro bono work with attorneys at Legal Aid. So it's been part of my DNA for over 40 years. I retired from active practice about a year ago. And I just kept telling him, I said, something will come along that will look interesting. Well, we have a pandemic. So I assisted with Jim and a lot of staff at Legal Aid to sort of get up to speed on dealing with a totally new federal program that was going to be funneled through the employment security at the state of Missouri. And that was both challenging and it's ongoing. It's happening right now. But really, I mean, the bottom line is I enjoy it. You know, when I think back of all the cases I've done, the cases that I think made the biggest difference in the people's lives was the difference between getting something like unemployment compensation and not getting it. And the clients were so happy that somebody would help them. I just can't describe the feeling that you get when you do something that you feel good about. The people you work with at Legal Aid are the greatest people in the world. The gratitude I get from the clients, the cards I get, the thank yous. I mean, you know, so the bottom line is it's a lot of fun. Legal Aid makes a difference in people's lives in terms of housing, employment, healthcare. Legal Aid is it. There's nothing else. I mean, you can talk about all the different nonprofits out there trying to do this or trying to do that. Only Legal Aid can be an advocate for the legal rights of people who otherwise can't afford legal services. That can mean the difference between life and death.